You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 19.4k level approximately, and on the 4-hour charts I talked about this very level that you should not take a buy here anymore because I was expecting retracement. If you watch that video, exact same thing happened at this very area. And on ETH, the same thing. I said don't take a buy position here, wait for a retracement, and you see how market drop right down. So what are we expecting right now in the market? Something very terrifying I'm going to talk about on the 1-day charts at this very area. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart here, I was talking about market moving up to this level of 22 and 23k at this very area, and right now it seems that the market is not moving as expected right now to this very point. Okay, so I was expecting the market to move very sharply to the upside, but right now there's a lot of reduction in market momentum to the upside, and that is a call for us to also relook into this very area, because I talk about you taking a buy position from this area of resistance on this very candle right here, because I said a breakout of this very candle, this very area right here, will mean the market is going to move back to the upside. And if you look at this very point, you discover that the market is already at this very point. That means this candle did not close above this, and then this candle close on that very area, this very area at this very point, if you can see this very well. So that also means that it is a call for us to relook into this very analysis. So right now what you should be paying attention to is a little bit of move to the upside. That means if this candle that is forming right now close bearish to the downside with a significant bearish candle, then that is a call that market is going to break this very level of support. And if we still see a bullish candle to the upside, then that also means market is going to move up a little bit, but not up to this very point right now, because I am beginning to see the possibility of market not reaching this very area of 22,500 and 23k at this very point at the moment, because of reduction in market momentum that I am seeing in the market right now. So specifically what you should be expecting is when market move right down, then this retracement, okay, because we see market create a new low at this very point, lower than the previous low at this very area. So what you should be expecting right now is a little bit of push to the upside, but expect market to still come back to the downside on the longer term, not reaching this very level right now again, as I previously talked about on this channel. So pay attention to this, guys, because I am expecting the market to still move a little bit to the upside before that very move to the downside. And if you see the market break this very level of support, this level of support right here, then that will be very bad for BTC, and we're going to see the market come back to this level of 17k to $16,000 at this very point. So pay attention to this very level of support. On the 4-hour chart BTC, I talk about you not taking a buy position at this very point. Reason being that the market has moved from this very area to the upside up to this very point, so there is no need taking a buy position when market has moved this much. Always expect retracement in the market, and we see the market retrace back down to this very level of support. So we have support here, we have support here, we have support at this area, we have resistance here, and resistance at this very point. So what you should be looking out for right now is the market breaking either of these levels, because market is in a range right now, and I am expecting this next move to still move into this very area. I am not saying you should take a buy position from here? No, don't take any buy position from where the market is right now, because market can come back down to this very support or move to the upside to this very point of resistance. But what I am expecting right now is for market to move into this level of resistance before the next move to the downside. What you should be paying attention to right now on this pair is a breakout on either of these levels, because a breakout on this very level of resistance right here will send the market to the upside, and a breakout on the support right here will send the market back down. On ETH here, the same thing I said, don't take a buy here because market is going to retrace and market drop this down to this level of support. And right now I am expecting market to move into this level of resistance. That does not mean you should take a buy here because market is going to move up. No, expect the market to move into this level, and this will be a good place to short the market from, and this will be a nice place to buy the market from. And if you see a breakout on ETH from this level of resistance, then market is going to move to the upside on breakout on this level of resistance to the upside. And if you see the market come back down to this level of support and break this level of support, then you're going to see the market come back down in a bearish movement. So if you look at it, we have support here, we have support here, we have support on this very area. That means this very level is very, very strong for the market, and a breakout will make the market to sink back down. And this is what you should be paying attention to right now, these two levels of resistance and this level of support. Keep the analysis very, very simple. And what do you think about the market, especially on the 1-day chart? My attention right now have been on the 1-day chart. Do you think market is going to break this level of support, or we're going to see the market move a little bit to the upside and then come back down to finally break this level of support? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.